Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by readying the essentials. Power on the PS4 and sign into your PlayStation Network account. Once done, enable Remote Play in Settings. This allows streaming. Make sure rest mode features are set to allow network access. Next, open the Remote Play app on your laptop and sign in with the same account, then connect your DualShock 4 via USB or pair by Bluetooth. These first steps create the secure link between console and laptop. Now configure network and stream settings for a stable session. You should use wired Ethernet for both devices when available, because lower latency matters more than raw speed. If using Wi-Fi, be on a 5 GHz band and close nearby streaming apps. In the Remote Play app, pick a sensible resolution and frame rate. 720p at 60 FPS balances quality and latency. Once set, test connection. The app will search and link to your PS4. If pairing fails, recheck IP. Finish by launching a game and adjusting in-session settings to taste. You may lower streaming resolution or enable performance mode on console to reduce lag. Make small changes and observe. If you lose connection, first restart the Remote Play app, then your router, and finally the PS4. These quick resets often restore proper handshake. One key troubleshooting tip. If input feels delayed, switch to a wired controller connection and prioritize network traffic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.